Hi, this is GED teacher Damon Tennant, and in this video, I want to tell you some detail about the online GED course that I offer. I want to show you up front and close how it works. Let's take a look. So on this screen here, I have a couple things. The first thing I want to show you and talk to you about is the personal preparation guide. This is the 200 plus page guide that you're going to get in the mail, and this is sent out to you the moment that you register for the online GED course. In this book are the lessons that you are going to find in the online course, and this book kind of helps you to walk through those video lessons. See, one of the things that I've seen over time is that it's not enough just to simply watch video, but you have to have something that you can take notes on, follow along with. What I'm doing on the screen, you need to have right in your hands. And so that's what's in this book. And it's 200 plus pages walking you through the content. Now, let me go ahead and jump into the course here. So here I am right here on the home page of the online GED course. And so you can see that you have the name of the course there, and you can scroll down and you see November 2016 and December 2016 and January 17, February, March, June, July, all the way up until current time as of the recording of this video. So in these lessons are everything that I've done on a weekly basis. See, one of the benefits of the online GED course is that you get weekly lessons and weekly content. So you not only get the 13 lessons, but you get the weekly content as I am teaching in my local classrooms, as I am teaching in my online classrooms. You are getting all of that content on a weekly basis. So once you get into this online course, you're not just simply getting the 13 lessons, but you're getting everything I do on a weekly basis. So for example, in the month of March, we can click on that. March 2017, you'll see the week of March 16th. It looks like I was breaking down some GED math word problems there, and you would move on to the week of the 13th, and you will see that I was doing some more of those word problems, and then you would move on to the week of the 20th, and you would see that I was doing even more word problems, because at that time of year, the students I was working with at that particular time were really having some issues with word problems. So in the course, that allowed me to post that. And then my students in California, my students in Alabama, my students in Georgia, my students in New York, wherever my students find themselves, they get that content. So everybody is constantly building and learning together. And then if you scroll down a little bit more, you get into the core math lessons. And so the core math lessons you will see here. And then you will look at the reading and writing lessons, the GED strategy, and then the bonus videos. So these are the 13 core lessons that if you follow these 13 lessons, you are going to have success. Now, the key thing is you got to understand that I am breaking this down. I'm teaching this in a unique way. You have to understand that I've been doing this since 2001, and I've been doing this in the local classroom as well as online. And I know how to teach this in such a way that you are going to get that magic 145 score and put this GED test behind you. And that is what you're getting here. But let me give you a sample. So we'll just look at lesson 1. Okay, and you see it's on positive and negative numbers, and then I kind of lay out to you what the objectives of this lesson are. So I want you to be able to do certain things with positive and negative numbers, okay? And then as you go down, you can see that I want to begin with the end in mind. So this whole thing is about you being prepared for the GED test. And so I'm going to go down and I'm going to show you actual sample GED, official GED practice question, how you might see that skill be used. And I break it down how to do it. And then we jump into the course. So, but you begin knowing that everything that you're going to learn in this course is guided towards you being successful with specific types of GED questions. And that's why my students are successful. That's why students who get other products or books, they struggle with it because they're not prepared. But I actually prepare you for what you're actually going to see. And then you can come down here and then you can say, oh, okay, there's the subject notes. So you go ahead and click on that. and you'll scroll down a little bit and you'll see there is the subject notes. I'm not going to go into that because if you're interested, you're going to have to get the course in order to do that. I'm going to back up here. There's the course video. So this video here is a video that you can watch. I think it's probably 52 minutes, it says. And it's just breaking down the positive and negative numbers, the skill, then how you're going to see it on the actual GED test. And then I'm going to scroll down some more. And then once you do all of that, then you're going to do the practice test. So you're going to come down here and you're going to click on the practice test. And then I'm just going to, for simplicity, just put D at D.com. And then I'm going to submit that. And then we jump into the test. And then you're going to see an actual GED problem, just like you would see on the GED test. And so you would click that, blow that up. You can see that chart a little bit better. Scroll it down. Okay. And it's going to take you through a 10-question test. And your goal is to get 7 out of these 10 questions. So you can see why my students have so much success. And then I have additional resources. I post videos. But that is not all. This thing gets better because then you can come down here and you can post a comment. You can say, hey, Damon, stuck on number 2. And then you can come down here and you can actually attach a question. So I'm just using a question a student sent me earlier this week as a sample, and you can attach that and post comment. And then I'm going to get a notification with your question right here and with the picture. And because it's internet, you can be doing this on your smartphone. And so you simply would just post that in the course, and I will get back and respond to you right here in this comment section and answer your question. So that is how my online GED course works. That is why my students have so much success, because I break this down. I show you exactly how to get prepared for the GED test so you get what you need to pass. Nothing more, nothing less. If you're trying to ace this thing, I'm not really your guy. I'm just really for the person who really wants to pass this thing, put it behind them, and get on with the rest of their lives. So again, this is GED teacher Damon Tennant just showing you specifically how my online GED course works. I'm telling you, you can go to my comment section on my YouTube channel. You can go to other places on the internet and see the positive reviews I have because I have happy students. When students get in my course and actually do the work, they have success. No ifs and buts about it. They have success. If you do the work, this is not a magic bullet. I want to stress that. This is not a magic bullet. This is not, you're going to just watch something and it's going to automatically go into your head. You have to do the work. And so because of that, that's why I have the personal preparation guide and I mail this book right to you. And then that's why I have the online GED course so that you can put these two things together. And that way you can have success. Again, this is about you moving on with the rest of your life. I got to cast a little bit of vision here and share with you that this is about you becoming that nurse you wanted to become. This is about you wanted to becoming that electrician that you've always wanted to become. This is about you opening that business that you've always wanted to open. This is whatever your goal, dreams, visions are. We're casting vision here for you to have success. And you got to remember that the GED is simply a stepping stone in your path. It's just something you have to do, something you have to have in your file so you can become licensed, so you can become employed, so you can get the things that you need to make your dreams come true, so you can get on with the rest of your life and start living the kind of life that you want to live. Again, this has been GED teacher Damon Tennant. I hope you will enroll in this course. Do not let anything stop you. If you think this is for you, go for it because it is going to work. Thank you.